In this video, we listed the 5 best power towers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. YOLEO Adjustable Power Tower. The YOLEO Adjustable Power Tower is a versatile fitness equipment designed for strength training, featuring a multifunction pull-up station and a dip stand, making it ideal for home gym workouts. Constructed from durable alloy steel, this power tower can support a maximum weight of 220 pounds, ensuring stability during various exercises. While it has received a solid rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars from 580 users, it is currently unavailable for purchase, with no information on when it may be back in stock. The product includes essential components such as the power tower itself, but it is important to note that the handle type is fixed. Number 2. bangtong&li Power Tower. The bangtong&li Power Tower is a robust fitness equipment made from thickened alloy steel, designed for durability and stability, with a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. Measuring 42.5 inch L x 37.8, W x 83.5 H and featuring a fixed handle type, it comes with high-density foam rubber grips and ergonomic armrests for comfort during workouts. This multifunctional dip stand supports a variety of exercises including pull-ups, dips, chin-ups, push-ups, and knee raises, making it suitable for training various muscle groups at home, in the office, or at the gym. The pull-up bar can be adjusted in height from 76.4 to 84.3 inches, allowing users to customize their workout experience. With a focus on customer satisfaction, bangtong&li emphasizes quality and provides dedicated service to address any product concerns. Number 3. HARISON Multifunction Power Tower. The HARISON Power Tower offers a robust and versatile solution for home strength training, combining functionality with durability. Constructed from high-quality alloy steel, this power tower features a sturdy, heavy-duty frame capable of supporting up to 650 pounds, ensuring stability during workouts. Its thoughtful design includes a detachable weight bench that can be adjusted for decline, flat, or collapsible positions, allowing for a wide range of exercises such as pull-ups, dips, push-ups, and leg raises. With adjustable height settings ranging from 70.47 to 88.19 inches, users can customize their workouts to suit individual needs. The compact, foldable structure is space-efficient, making it easy to store, while ergonomic features like padded grips and back support enhance comfort during use. Additionally, HARISON provides customer assurance with a 30-day trial and a 1-year promise for spare parts, along with comprehensive installation support. The brand emphasizes reliability and genuine performance, assuring customers that what you see is what you get. Number 4. RELIFE Rebuild Power Tower. The RELIFE Rebuild Your Life Power Tower is a versatile and durable piece of fitness equipment designed for home workouts. Made from high-quality stainless steel and available in a sleek silver finish, it measures 42.9 inch L x 35.4 W x 88.6 H and can support up to 450 pounds. This multifunctional dip station allows users to perform a variety of exercises, including pull-ups, push-ups, chin-ups, dips, bodyweight rows, and vertical knee raises, effectively targeting upper body strength and muscle building. Its adjustable handle features 3 armrest height levels and a pull-up bar with 9 adjustable heights, making it suitable for all family members, including children. The tower's stability is enhanced by safety lock nuts and for sturdy suction cups, while thickened steel tubing offers added durability. Compact and easy to assemble, it is ideal for home gyms with limited space. The manufacturer backs the product with a 1-year warranty on the frame and lifetime warranty on materials, ensuring customer satisfaction and support. Number 5. Stamina Power Tower. The Stamina Power Tower offers a comprehensive solution for total body workouts, designed to enhance strength, muscle tone, and weight loss. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame and featuring a striking fortress red color, this versatile fitness equipment supports users weighing up to 330 pounds. Its unique boulder grips provide additional support during leg and knee raises, while the integrated plyo box, adjustable in height from 16 to 24 inches, enables a variety of exercises such as squat jumps and calf raises. Compact and stable, this power tower fits seamlessly into indoor or garage spaces, making it an ideal addition to any home gym. Furthermore, the included Move app enhances the workout experience with guided coaching, exercise demos, and personalized routines, promoting overall fitness and health.